PRF for vaginal rejuvenation, what it is, how it works, and why it can be a game changer for women's sexual health. Okay. Let's talk about something that no one talks about, but everyone should talk about, which is vaginal health. For some ungodly reason, we women don't think we should talk about sex. I would say, let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Come on, this is serious. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about vaginal health. This is very important into us, into our lives. Dryness, discomfort, leaking when you laugh or jump on a trampoline, low libido. These are things that are just not part of getting older. Okay. You don't have to just deal with them. That is so ridiculous. You don't have to just deal with them. They're symptoms and you don't have to live with them. Okay. Awesome procedure that we do is vaginal rejuvenation with PRF. PRF is platelet-rich fibrin. Literally, it comes from you. It's natural, it's regenerative, it's your own blood. We spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. I pull out all the growth factors and I give it back to you in the vaginal area to rejuvenate the tissue. Okay. So, platelet-rich fibrin, it's amazing. It's coming from you, taking you, and healing you. It's 100% natural. There is no additives, there's no chemicals. It's literally your body healing itself. Like, hello, this is awesome. Okay. And what does it help with? Vaginal dryness, painful sex, mild urinary leakage, because we kind of put it in the vaginal canal. It can help with laxity, loose tone, loss of sensation and pleasure. That's one we see more, that people get that sensation back. Postpartum and perimenopausal changes, those types of things. And if we pair PRF with vaginal rejuvenation with vaginal estrogen, boom! Shakalaka, the world gates, the floodgates, the sex gates will all open. It's an amazing procedure. It's minimally invasive. Yes, it requires an exam, but it's minimally invasive. And it can be a game changer, right? In conjunction with doing that. What does the procedure look like? It's actually quick, 30 to 40 minutes. We got to draw your blood, we spin it down, we harvest all that PRF. We do put numbing cream on in the areas, in the vaginal and the clitoral areas. There is no downtime. Then we inject right in there and then you're done. We do have you avoid intercourse for 48 hours. You can go back to work that same day. It just depends on how you tolerate it, but very well tolerated. Remember, PRF is a regenerative process, so we see the effects of PRF for 12 weeks. And sometimes even longer than that as those tissues kind of regenerate and heal. And if we're using it in conjunction with vaginal estrogen, which if you come to me, you will be using it in conjunction with vaginal estrogen because every woman should be on vaginal estrogen, then we can really do well and treat those symptoms. So we're excited. We love PRF, all things PRF. We love all things vaginal health. We love all things women. And so this is a very exciting and powerful tool. Remember, vaginal health is not taboo. It's foundational to our quality of our lives, our relationship, and our confidence. And we deserve to be having the best sex of our lives, ladies. The best sex of our lives. Okay. So listen, if you're here in Florida, message us about PRF. We would love to have you in to Lesh, one of our offices, and see you for PRF. If you're not, in Florida, call around, see what providers in your area do PRF, and get your sex life back, right? Get your sex life back. So I want to see you all having the best sex of your life. PRF, vaginal rejuvenation, plus your vaginal estrogen, life changer, game changer, mind blown. Until next time, stay well, and actually look at our episode on vaginal estrogen and how pretty much every single woman in the world should be on it. Okay, you check it out, subscribe, share, tell all your friends. You guys can have a PRF party, right? Come to the office. You're all in different rooms. Nobody has to see anybody's anything. Boop 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 boop. This is amazing, right? This is amazing. So PRF vaginal rejuvenation. See, until next time, stay well.